In the course, we're going to cover how to make lots of fun candles. We're going to start off making pillar candles like these. So a pillar candle is a freestanding candle. So here's just a few that I've made. I'm also going to show you how to make freestanding candles using silicone cake molds and how to make floating candles and tea lights. We're going to see how to make wax melts using two different types of molds. And you'll be seeing how to make container blends such as these. To make plain ones, how to decorate them with flowers, how to use colour shading as well in your candles. I'm going to show you how to cut sheets of beeswax to make some cool candles as well. You can create some great shapes with the beeswax sheets. And I'm going to show you how to do some cool effects like creating little cupcakes and coffee cups, and also how to embed chunks in a candle to create another fun effect. Then we'll cover how to do layering in candles, which can create fun effects, and how to create a candle with amazing effects using ice with a very simple technique. And making gel candles is another thing that we're going to cover. This creates a really nice feature in your container. But then I'll be showing you fun things such as how to decorate your candles and your containers. But before we get started, we have to go through some of the basic stuff, like preparing your workplace and knowing all the ingredients that go into candles. So bear with me for the next few lectures, because this is vital information that you need to know. And it's really worth watching through this before you get started, because if you don't have all the information, you might make some mistakes, and that would be a shame and a waste of time and money. So just get through the next few lectures and then you can get going.